Would you like to do something simple and easy for a visitor coming with a short notice? I'm going to show you how to do apple cookies. For this recipe I'm using 125 grams self-raising flour. If you're using plain flour, make sure to add half a teaspoon of baking powder with a pinch of salt, 1 egg, 50 grams sugar. You can always reduce or increase the amount of sugar in your recipes, 1 apple, 50 grams butter and about a teaspoon vanilla. Let's start doing this. Into a mixing bowl, add the sugar and the butter and whisk until it is cream and pale in color. Once doing it, make sure to scrape down the ends. I'm doing a very small quantity. You can always double this recipe. Now into that add the egg. While whisking this, let's cut the apple into small cubes. After, add the vanilla and then start adding flour bit by bit. Now reduce the speed and add the apples. And it's ready. Take it out. So it is ready and this is how it looks like. It's more likely a cake batter than a cookie dough. So let's spoon this out. You can use a cookie scoop or an ice cream scoop. So if you want bigger cookies, you can use the ice cream scoop. I'm using this medium size ice cream scoop. And leave enough space in between. So this goes to the preheated oven, 160 Celsius, about 20 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. So the apple cookies are ready and this is how it looks like. They are really soft gooey cookies that you can try in few minutes. And to serve, it's best to use some icing sugar on top and serve with a nice cup of tea or coffee. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.